Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought to see these two things.
And if you are using any of these keys, your account will be difficult to be hacked.
And these are security key NFC UBCOs. One is YubiKey 5 NFC and another is security key NFC. Now I'll tell you in details how I am going to install it and what's the difference. Primary difference in this black money. This is costed me. I'll show you. Just hold on. With GST, the rates are one is 42.50. This blue one is 42.50. NFC. This black one is 7,000. Now the difference. Now the difference between the two security keys is like in the protocols. Apart from the price, now first the similarities. Both supports NFC and FIDO2 protocol. Like there are the difference in the protocols. For example, black one supports more protocols than the blue one. Web authentication is used by both of them. FIDO2 and FIDO2 CTAP1 and 2 are used by both of them. U2F is supported by both of them. Now, what is not supported by the blue one is OATH HOTP authentication, OATH TOTP authentication, OpenPGP, and static password. So these are the differences between the two apart from the price. My recommendation will be you use the primary key as that is called the YubiKey 5 NFC, and as a backup of the passwords you can keep the blue one, that is security NFC. It will make sure that even if you lose one this key, then the backup is available at home. You can keep the backup in the firebox in your house. You can also carry the primary one. Now the issue lies if you don't have the backup, then you will not be able to log into your Gmail or YouTube accounts wherever you have done the two-factor authentication. So better to have a backup of the primary key. Another similarity is that both of them are used for 2FA and MFA. 2FA means two-factor authentication and MFA means multi-factor authentication. YubiKey5 NFC can also be used as and supports smart card protocol.
I'm going to install that in my YouTube and Gmail account. So let's open the Gmail account. So it's already open. So what I'll do, go to the manage your Google accounts. Then privacy and personalizations, security, two-factor authentication. You have to go here. Then you have to enter your password. So it's already there. So I just enter it. See, these are my verified two-factor authentication, voice and text messages. So what I'll do now, add security key, USB, Bluetooth. Got your security key. Make sure that your security is with you but not connected to your device. Next, insert your security keys into the USB port. So I'm inserting the USB. So it has detected. Setting up the device. The request comes from Chrome. Publish. Touch the security key. So I'm touching it. Then see the make and model allow. Security key name. I'll just primary key. Primary key done. It has been done. Use the Authenticator app to get free verification codes. So now it has been added. Now if you want to remove voice and text message, so I should remove it. Remove phone. Now Now if I may want to make alternate arrangement also, primary key, add security key backup. So what I'll do, I'll remove this and add another security key, USB. Blue one I'm going to make it. Make sure you're next. Insert USB key. I'm inserting the second one. So I'm just touching it. Allow. Secondary. Key. So I will keep this as backup for my primary. So primary, secondary. So I'm just going to remove it. Let me do sign out. Sign out. And now I'll remove it. I'll sign in again. Vishwas Sohal. Enter the password. Sign in. It's asking for the USB key. Insert USB key. I'm inserting it now. Let me. Don't ask. No, you have to unclick it, otherwise it's of no use. Next. So your account is ready. You can go to YouTube also. So this is what is required, and this is safe also. And what I can say that one should always have backup of this key if you want to use this USB key. And that's it. Next video I'll just try to find out how to unlock your PC, Windows 10 Pro PC with this USB key, how to set up. Till that point of time, be safe. Thank you very much, and kindly do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.